Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts, and aspiring developers, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Camel Case. I am absolutely thrilled to have you join us today as we delve into the exciting world of continuous integration and continuous deployment, also known as CICD pipelines, in addition to our previous videos on agile methodology, SDLC models, and software testing tools. So, without further ado, let's understand the CICD pipeline. A CICD pipeline, short for Continuous Integration, Continuous Delivery, or Continuous Deployment Pipeline, is a set of automated processes and tools that facilitate the development, testing, and deployment of software applications. It aims to streamline and accelerate the software development lifecycle by automating various stages, from code changes to the final deployment of those changes into production environments. This approach helps developers deliver software more efficiently, reliably, and with fewer errors. Let's break down the components of a CI/CD pipeline to understand it better. Continuous integration. It focuses on frequently integrating code changes from multiple developers into a shared version control repository. The main objective is to identify integration issues and bugs early in the development cycle, preventing larger and more complex issues down the line. CI involves automated processes that trigger builds and tests whenever new code is committed to the repository. In the process, developers commit code changes to a version control system like Git, CVS, or SVN. Automated build processes compile the code and generate executable files or artifacts. Automated tests, including unit tests and integration tests, are executed to verify code functionality and quality. If any tests fail, developers are notified immediately, and they can address the issues before they compound. Continuous delivery. It builds upon CI by automating the deployment process up to a staging or testing environment. The goal is to ensure that the software is always in a deployable state, providing the option to manually verify its behavior in a controlled environment before moving to production. In the process, successfully tested code changes are deployed to a staging or testing environment. Manual testing or additional automated tests are conducted in the staging environment to verify the functionality and behavior of the application. If the tests pass and the application performs as expected, it's ready for deployment to production. Continuous deployment. It takes the automation a step further by automatically deploying code changes to production as soon as they pass the necessary tests. This approach is suitable for applications with a high level of confidence in their testing and deployment processes. By the applications with a high level of confidence, I mean to refer such applications whose testing processes are thorough and effective, due to which the developers are confident that automated tests cover a broad range of scenarios and that any potential issues or bugs are detected before they can negatively impact users. Hence, the CI/CD pipeline represents a sequence of automated steps that encompass building, testing, and deploying code changes. It reduces manual intervention, increases development speed, and enhances software quality by identifying issues early in the development process. This approach also encourages collaboration among development, testing, and operations teams, fostering a culture of frequent and reliable releases. Various tools and platforms are available to set up CI/CD pipelines, including Jenkins, Travis CI, Circle CI, GitLab CI/CD, and many others. These tools provide integrations with version control systems, testing frameworks, deployment platforms, and other essential services, allowing developers to customize and automate their pipeline to suit their specific development workflows. Now, let's explore some key points regarding why CI/CD is important in today's software development landscape. So following are some key reasons why CICD has become an essential practice. Faster development cycles. CICD automates many aspects of the development and deployment process. This automation speeds up the cycle from writing code to delivering it to users. Manual tasks like code compilation, testing, and deployment are streamlined, reducing human error and saving valuable time. Early detection of bugs and issues. With CICD, code is continuously integrated and tested. This means that bugs, errors, and compatibility issues are identified much earlier in the development process. This reduces the likelihood of major issues arising during deployment and minimizes the time and effort required for debugging. Higher code quality. Regular integration and automated testing ensure that code quality is maintained at all times. Code that doesn't meet the predefined standards or that breaks existing functionality is flagged immediately. This encourages developers to write cleaner, more maintainable code. Efficient collaboration. CICD encourages collaboration among development teams. Since code is frequently integrated, all team members are working with the most up-to-date version. This reduces conflicts and integration problems that often arise when working on different branches for extended periods. Streamlined deployment. CD ensures that code changes are deployed to production more frequently and with greater reliability. This reduces the risk associated with large and infrequent releases. Smaller, incremental changes are easier to manage and roll back if necessary. Reduced manual intervention. Manual deployment processes are error-prone and time-consuming. CICD automates deployment, eliminating the need for manual interventions and reducing the risk of human errors in the deployment process. Better risk management. CICD's incremental approach to deployment reduces the risk associated with large-scale releases. If an issue arises, it's easier to pinpoint the cause and roll back to a previous version. Competitive advantage. Organizations that adopt CICD can deliver new features and updates to users more frequently and reliably. This agility and responsiveness provide a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market. In a nutshell, CICD practices enhance the development process by increasing efficiency, code quality, and collaboration while reducing risks and time to market. It's not just a technical process, it's a cultural shift that empowers development teams to innovate and iterate with confidence. In conclusion, we've embarked on a journey through the fascinating world of continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. We've explored why these practices are crucial in modern software development and how they can transform your development workflow. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, embrace CICD as a powerful ally in your quest for efficient, reliable, and high-quality software development. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Camel Case for more insightful content on the latest trends and best practices in the world of technology. This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.